Yes, good engineer job in Australia pays 80,000 Aussie a year as a starting salary. This specifically applies to maritime engineering and oceanographic engineering degrees. You can get it from university in Australia called Australian Maritime College, which is part of University of Tasmania, Australia. This is a 4-year degree. You can obtain that by doing foundation here in Malaysia and 4 years in Australia, or HELP can also offer a diploma course for 2.5 years, which then can credit transfer to Australia to enter the 3rd year or 2nd year, 2nd SEM. Therefore, saving you 1.5 to 2 years in Australia.
Do you say Aussie 80,000 a year?
Yes, and that's confirmed as a normal starting salary of a maritime or oceanographic engineer. Basically, Australia pays 60,000 a year for mechanical engineer. And there are plenty of jobs, engineering jobs in Australia.
Yeah, so come over and check you out, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, David.
Thank you.